must
the grass
feed
is
him or
pushed down?
something.
Like Popeye.
Like he's coming over here to get fed.
No, sir.
Please don't feed the alligators your hand.
He says we do not take out of state checks.
There he is. He's going to come check out this boat.
Man,
Looks like to me he's seen this boat a bunch.
Yeah.
for the past 8 years, he's seen a bunch of them, so he's been out here that long.
Wow.
That's his top speed.
You mind if I stand up and take a picture?
You'll be fine.
Okay. You always ask the captain.
He is sort of crusty looking.
Yeah, he's pretty old.
You heard that?
Just step back to the other side.
Okay. Don't tell me to cast on your foot from him.
No, sir.
He knows just what you're going to do.
He'll lay his head up on the side of the boat, back.
That's pretty good.
And that's he does that. Jeff has a handler's license. Get y'all to move to the other side there just a little bit.
Okay.
Come on, John.
Something like that in front of me, I'll move anytime.
Yeah, right. He is a biggie.
He's persistent today, so we're going to push out. Get y'all to step back.
Step back.
Yeah.
You saying he's hungry?
No.
He's
He's just aggravated from earlier.
Yeah.
You want to help him?
He is actually taking my duck bill, so
Yeah, Don, that's what it is. Your duck bill? He thinks you're a mouse.
but that is him. April, May, and June is mating season, and that's the reason he's
He's
cranky.
pretty aggressive, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you saying he thinks we're cute?
That's it. That's it.
You know,
And he don't do that often. Usually when y'all come in here, I mean, any other time other than April, May, and June, he'll never move. We've actually had people tell us that he's fake.
Ah.
I mean, he will not move for nothing. You can get out there and pop him on the side, he'll just wait and look at you.
Now, what size is he?
He's
About 12?
Yeah, he's about 12 and a half foot.
How old is
And
he?
he's missing about a foot of his tail, so that